Okay. After, oh my goodness, my back. After I don't know how many hours, but slowly we lifted 7 inches off the ground. So now garage is a little bit taller. So we have better access to the drive than rather. Okay, now cleaning and then we can inspect it. Make sure it's all good. Okay, washing time.